Everyone, thanks for checking out our latest video, Shopify Mobile Setup for Beginners. If you're just getting started with Shopify, setting up Shopify on your mobile device or a tablet is super helpful to keep track of your business on the go, but often a lot of Shopify apps work best on mobile. So let's check out how you can download Shopify. Start by searching for Shopify in your app store on your smartphone or mobile tablet. Then hit the download or install button. Shopify also offers a separate Shopify POS app. Once you've installed, open Shopify on your mobile device. Once you've opened Shopify, you can see your shop live, and you can see that you have a menu along the bottom where you can navigate to home, manage your orders, as well as your products. You can also use the hamburger menu, the 3 lines at the end, and this is where you can expand the larger menu. From here, you can open up all of the apps that you've already downloaded on your Shopify store or find more. Here, we're going to open up Scan to Sell. Scan to Sell is a Shopify app that allows you to instantly create Shopify product listings from your physical in-store inventory. Scan to Sell has a couple of features that work great on a mobile device. From here, you can start adding products from your mobile device using the text feature by physically entering or manually entering your barcode data at the bottom. Simply enter the barcode number as it appears on your product. And from there, the barcode data is used, and your product listing appears in Scan to Sell with the title, description, and allows you to select from images. Simply remove any of the images you don't want, enter your retail price and your quantity, and hit create. You can also use the mobile device feature to take a picture of the barcode using the camera scanner feature. Simply use your camera to scan the barcode of your product, and the barcode information is used and a title, description, and images appear. Then simply set your price and add your on-hand quantity and tap create. If you're using an external handheld Bluetooth scanner, you can pair this with any mobile device. Simply open up the Settings app on your mobile device, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, and set your handheld scanner in pairing mode. From there, you can scan your product with your handheld Bluetooth scanner, which allows for faster scanning. Once the barcode is provided, your title, description, and images appear. Again, you can remove any images you don't want, set your retail price, and your on-hand quantity. If you want to check out your products after you've scanned them, you can go back into your Shopify store and select the price tag icon at the lower screen, and you'll see all of your products ready to review. Switch the status from draft to active, and remember to hit save. Now you can see your products live in your Shopify store. Thanks for checking out this video in how to get yourself set up on Shopify Mobile for beginners. Stay tuned for future videos. Thanks for watching.